All right, look, so I was just informed that we had a massive drop in crypto, massive drop in Bitcoin, massive drop in stocks, and everything's going crazy, and I'm sure it's not that bad. So we're gonna take a look so I can assure you that everything's fine. Let's look at the charts. Oh my God! I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is crazy. This is driving me crazy. I don't know how am I gonna pay? I mean, I can't pay. I mean, my girlfriend's always shopping. It's her fault. She's always shopping. She takes everything. And now I can't even buy the dip. I can't buy the dip. I can't just fucking buy the dip. There's no point. Maybe I could sell my Rolex. Can I sell it? No one's gonna buy a fucking Rolex. In time for the dip. In time to buy the dip! I cannot buy the dip! I can't believe this is happening! Alright, look, jokes aside, it's not that bad. Why is it not that bad? It's not that bad because we actually called this. We called this move, even in my live stream yesterday, we actually said that Bitcoin will probably go down to the 50K level and we might have a wick down to 49K. Check it out. I'll leave the link right here. Check it out, see exactly what I said. Not only that, in March and in April, I actually warned of a dump around the NVIDIA event, the Bitcoin halving, and a massive dump in summertime, in August. I actually called this and was expecting this. I even said we're probably gonna get a Black Swan event. Of course, we don't know what it is yet, but we're probably gonna get a Black Swan event or some news, and this is gonna happen. And guess what? It happened. That's why I was telling you to take profits at 72K. We didn't nail 74K. We got the 72K, and again at 69K. But I was telling you to take profits. Then when we bought the dip at 53K, that was a temporary pullback. That was a temporary low. We called the bottom, but we said we might revisit that. So take care. So this was all expected. Don't believe me? Watch this video right here. I'll leave it linked. That's from April. And also watch this video right here. I'll leave it linked as well from March. And I'll also leave all the links in the description down below so you can see and verify. But if you watch my live streams, if you watch my videos, this is something I was talking about over and over again. So if you're not subscribed yet, I don't know, I really don't know what you're doing. Subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button, or continue getting wrecked listening to whoever you're listening to. That's your problem. But the question is, what happens now? What do we do now? Do we buy this dip, or do we collect guns, ammo, and pharmaceuticals and go into hiding because all hell's gonna break loose? And while there is a possibility for the latter, I don't think it's probable, because I did say we're gonna have this drop in the summertime, go back up, and even though we might have a shorter bull market, the top will be in end of 2024, beginning 2025. That's the top of Bitcoin, not the top in altcoins. But then we're going to reevaluate and see if we get an extended bull market on that principle. That may have not made any sense. What I mean is, we said that the top of Bitcoin will come in end of 2024, beginning 2025. That's the first 3 months, the first quarter of 2025. But if the Bitcoin top comes in, does not mean that the altcoins won't continue to run, and it does not mean it'll go straight down. And we'll see and reevaluate to see if we're going to have a normal bull market or a shorter one around that time. But generally speaking, you should be good. You should have taken profits and you should be buying this dip. As a matter of fact, I made a post when this happened earlier on today. Buy the dip. Yesterday, I said buy the dip. If it dips more, buy the dip again. This is a buy the dip opportunity. Now, if we fell under $50,000 and we couldn't get up above it fast, and I even said this in many videos as well, if 50K became resistance and we couldn't break and we went lower, I'd be worried. But again, we would reevaluate. But right now, this is a buying opportunity. And even if we go lower, depending on how we go lower and when we go lower, it could also be a buying opportunity. What I'm trying to say is the bull market is not over. You should be setting up your crypto portfolios right now. You should be buying AI plays and portfolios for this year's narrative. Just like this video right here, make sure you don't miss it, and this video right here. Don't say I didn't warn you. These are the two videos to watch. These are the videos you need to use to buy the dip. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.